Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 for Straight Talk. So currently, as of this video recording, the iPhone 13 is up for pre-orders at Straight Talk. The iPhone 13 will be available on September 24th. So so Straight Talk has the iPhone 13 here, 128GB version for $829.99. So it's available in this midnight black color and whatnot. So so that's the iPhone 13. There's your notch there. You have your front facing camera there. Power button, volume keys is on the left side along with your alert switch, and your power button is on the right side of the phone. There it is, front and back. It looks like the iPhone 12 from last year. I think the cameras are like flipped, but it's pretty much the iPhone 12 but with newer internals and stuff like that. You do get dual cameras in the back along with the camera flash Apple logo on the rear. And there it is, front and back there. So yeah. iPhone 13, your new superpower. iPhone 13, the most advanced dual camera system ever on iPhone. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip, a big leap in battery life, durable design, super fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. Alright. So look good. So specs on the iPhone, of course, it has a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR OLED HDR10W Vision display. Dimensions are 5.78 inches height, 2.81 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. Battery up to 19 hours and up to 19 hours. So standby up to 19 hours of multimedia, music play up to 75 hours. The iPhone 13 weighs 6.14 ounces. Battery specs is a lithium-ion battery, non-removable, fast charging 20 watt. Talk time up. Basically the same thing it says in the battery thing here. Processor, of course, A15 bionic chip. Memory, 128GB of storage, and 4GB of RAM. Alright, and that's the only version that Straight Talk is currently offering. I think they only get like one storage option for the iPhone. So yeah. So what comes in the box is you pretty much your standard iPhone packaging, and you do get iPhone 13 with iOS 15, USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation, and that is it. No charging brick or nothing like that. So Apple expects you to have your own charging brick. So yeah. More features. It has iOS 15. Packs new features to do more with the iPhone than ever before. Speed 5G for super fast downloads and high quality streaming. Camera advanced dual camera system with 12 megapixel wide angle and ultra wide cameras. Photographic styles. Smart HDR4 night mode. 4K W Vision HDR recording. Display, like I said, 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR display. Durable design with ceramic shield. 19 hours of video playback. Alright. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 is currently up for pre-orders. It's $829.99 for the 128GB version. That's Straight Talk. This one will be available on September 24th. So when you guys see this video, you guys will see this item is for pre-order only. Don't freak out, because on the 24th they will say you guys can buy the iPhone on the 24th of September. So yeah. So there you guys have it, iPhone 13 for Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.